people keep coming back to like, oh, if there's a bear market or if there's just like a flash crash sell off, which by the way, gentlemen, this August 4th, I believe, was something of a mini little flash crash. The VIX went from 18 to 65 over the weekend. That was something. So in an event like that, a flash crash or like a typical cyclical bear market, right? If MicroStrategy goes up a lot and then gets cut in half 50% or 60% or more than whatever, like Bitcoin goes down, the absolute returns might still be noticeably higher on MicroStrategy. So that's and I'm not saying that Doxina was suggesting that. I've just heard this a million times. And that's why I came off a little hostile at the beginning, because it's like we've been saying the same words for like a full year now. Ever since we did Quampros, and like nobody was like, not only were most people, you guys are willing to do the work. Most people are they're not willing to read 10Ks like Jeff was talking about. They're not even willing to read our stuff, but they rush to Twitter to be like, what if MicroStrategy goes down? Well, what if it goes up so much that the drawdown doesn't matter?
Ryan, I mean, we are intimately familiar with all this. We've been also, as you guys have been in the trenches defending Bitcoin against all these kind of doomsdays. I still answer the quantum computer question. Like, I remember 4 or 5 years ago, this was the number one thing that everyone would ask on our spaces and our online discussions. I've probably answered this like 20 times on Clubhouse. What if government bans it? And I'm glad, like after several years of repeating the same damn thing about game theory and the government not being a monolith and the competition between other countries and so on, we are now past that, right? So. Yeah. These things don't count on these things going away, right?
They're not. We're going to be talking about NAV for a decade.